This video for the waterboard restoration of the coast of American River. We would like to offer to take all this old away. We start cleaning already the shore here by the water, and today also moving rocks for water. This love day for all, frequency of love, February 14, the most in the planet, and we did care to nature a lot, special today. So I'd like to offer to plant more pine trees, palms also, oranges, to have a garden here of the oranges all the way on the coast to clean all of this. So I want to start here, also pineapple and palms, seed of palms. Yes, and here we also moving along here, we cleaning the old wood. Because all of that falling down on to the water. So we take all branches away and we start moving that direction. And also all those green bushes too, we're restoring. And we move up, we take all of that and delivering up. So who can pick up the wood and do something, maybe grind it and blend it, maybe to recycle. Somehow we need to find a way what we're going to do with the old, because we need to clean all of this. Here lots of inhabitants, you have to protect the inhabitants, as birds, as squirrels, and in the water I already saw it, lots of beavers, frogs, river frog here, many others. So all of this, like this on the floor with the rocks, those leaves. Thank you. You have to take even those leaves away. Like here, I already take all leaves away. Only left green bushes, so it also cleans the green bushes. A few bushes already cleaned and very nice. So we don't have to rush, but we have to do this. We need, like, not something that we have to very fast to do, but we need to act, because this is environment, our environment. Have to care a lot. So yeah, all of this have to move this away. Only to leave like this bush, we can leave it nicely and clean, like take all from the trees and leave it like just few here, not too many trees, just to cleanse them. And this is a sign, old sign of restoration of the shore. So please, we kindly ask him to act with us. We need it to restore our American River, flowing to Sacramento, gives life to all. Thank you. Also today I was very lucky doing work in the water, found that glass, broken glass. I know we are safe and protected. We're safe and protected because I walk on my barefoot here, and I'm very mindful and watch and more careful each my step. I don't want to rush. I want to walk, live for thousands of years. So I want to make sure that my feet is healthy, very healthy. So yes, like this, have to kind of like move away because that is going to the water, falling down to the water. To clean all this wood, and that make water dirty. Oh, beaver here, thank you. Hey brother, thank you for showing up for us. Blessings, yes, thank you. You're the best. Beaver is here with us. Such blessings. Thank you. Yeah, beaver doing their work, but you have to move away. It makes water dirty. That stuff from the water. Like all of this have to move away. Thank you. And gratitude to the water. Very powerful water here. Gratitude to the land here and everyone who lives here. I'm not saying that people not taking care of it, maybe just not aware as much. We appreciate everything and everyone. Everyone contribute to the whole, even doing or not doing. We want to be more gently and kind to everyone. Also, we give gratitude to the university campus here. Very great. We have more education. To educate non-stop. Like even who is older, requalification. So every like 4 years or 2 years again to university, because knowledge also updating itself. You need to study all the time. So we give blessings to the University of Sacramento here. Thank you for being here. And we also want to offer to university to participate with cleaning. Because water board cannot do the work for everyone. The communities have to participate. We have to give a chance to communities to do the work as well. Otherwise, if they're not participating, water board will need to have tight laws and to give warnings or some type of fees if no one wants to care about the environment where we live. And then after the fees, hopefully we will have a water board unit, cleanup unit, or whatever we can create it. I don't know. We also have to clean up the capital, the downtown capital, to make this sound quality free zone, because people working there for whole state, they're creating laws and legislature, and they have to be in a peaceful environment.